92.471. That should be 90, 9 in tens place, 2, that's ones place. The 10th, which is 4 part out of 10, that would be 4 over 10. And then the 7, which is 7 parts out of 100. Last one would be 1 part out of 1000. Like this is the fraction. If you wanna write it in a decimal form, not a fractional form, in a decimal form. So this should be 0.07 and 0.001. In a fractional form, let's write 701.015. That's 700, and then 1, and then that's it should be 0, 0.01, 0.005, and also we have 0 in tens place. Right. This is like if it's in a decimal form. So in a fraction, it should be 700. That's 1. That's 1 over 10 and 5 over 100. Okay. 1 over 100, 5 over 1000. And the last one, this is only like 2 zeros. Whatever these 2 zeros in tens and 10th place. In a fractional form, 0.906. Fractional form, which is 0 and 9 over 10, 0, 6 over, this is like 6,000, which is 6 out of 1,000 power, like 6 over 1,000. Write the place value of the underlining digits. The place value, like which place? Is it tens, hundred, ones, hundred, thousandth, whatever? The underlying digit here is 7, which is after the decimal point. So the place value of 7, it will be 10. And if he's asking about the value, it will be 0.7. If he asks about the value, that will be 0.7. طيب. 529.172. This place value, place, which means مكان, place, it should be 1000. طيب. As a value, that's a 0.002. There's a difference between a value and the place value. طيب. Number 5, 25.684. This 4 is also in the thousands place. So thousandth place, that will be 0.004. Right. Number 2, 0.5384. So this one will be 10 thousandths. And it will be equals to, if he's asking about the value with the place value, you should say that 0.0004. 0.6, this is like so very simple. That's a tenth. That's it, 0.6. The simplest way and form and shape. And 135.2502. So we have 900, which is in the hundreds place. That's it, 900. They order these groups of decimal from the smallest to the largest. Like the smallest number, which is 3.6. And then after 3.6, you can check, like write a more, circle it or whatever, just to exclude it out of the comparison. And then 6.6, that will be like the second smallest number. After that, 8.3, check, 8.6, nice. And the greatest number that we have will be 9.3. Like we have a win. That's 9.3. Right. Compare using smaller than, greater than, or equal. 45.2 or 43 and 3/10. Okay, first try to convert these like letters into digits. Like 43, so it should be 43, like, and that's a decimal, and it's a decimal point, 3/10, which is 3
Yeah.
tenth place, which is 0.3,
Yeah.
so 43.3. So basically, which one is greater, 45.2 or 43.3? It will be 45.2. Like next one, we have 33.4 and 33.40. Okay, you can remove the zero or you can add a zero, whichever you prefer. Both of them will be equal. 123, 123. Okay, 876, 786. Which one is greater? Of course, it will be the 800. 55.2, 30, 35, and that's a decimal
لا
point.
لا this will be 55.2.
55.2. Nice. Bro. Okay. Let's write this fraction, like convert it from decimal into fractions. Why not? We can do it. So this is like 10th, which is over 10. So it will be 9 over 10. This one is 100th, which is over 100. So it will be 7 over 100. Okay, this one is 1000th, which is 1000. Three parts out of 1000 whole. The next one, the last one, that 3.59. So it should be 359 over 100. طيب, write these as decimals, like this form, 7 over 10, which is 0.7, because that's 7 in 10th place, 7 parts out of 10 whole. 3 over 100, which is 0.03, 3 over 100, 3 parts out of 100 whole. 8 over 100, which is 0.008. That's 800th. That's 8,000th, which is 8 out of 1,000 piece, 1,000 whole. Right? Write each set of numbers in order and start with the smallest.
Okay, can I do this
Yes, you can.
uh, from the smaller to the greater?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You will put uh, إلى وانا 18.11.
Nice. Bravo. This is the smallest. And then
Yes, and then 18.18.
bravo. Check. And then
Like and 18.181.
18.81. Okay. And the greatest number,
It will be 118.1. It's
118.1.
correct.
Yeah, that's correct. Perfect. Nicely done. Okay. B. Which one is the smallest? What do you think? Like,
Or what,
is it 0.27 or
Mister?
yes? I can hear you.
Your sound is
It's not clear.
no. I cannot hear.
Okay.
Yes, like this is do it. I hear you then. This.
Okay. Which one is the
لا
smallest?
اوكي you want المستر اللي قفل
Wait,
من عنده انا جوه.
I'm with you. Let's go. Let's go.
مستر.
Yes.
Okay, you the least number is 2.
0.027. Like this is the smallest. Then what do you think?
The least.
Huh?
Least. You want it from the greatest or from the least?
The least, the smallest. Smallest.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
And the next number will be uh, 2.27.
No. Should be 0.207.
Is correct?
Yes, 0.207 is correct. Yes.
You say from the greatest.
No, the
You say
smallest.
from the greatest and from the least.
Least.
Okay. The next number it will be 0.27.
Okay, nice. Check. Which one? 2.07 or 2.7? Which basically like 70.
2.7.
Okay.
2.7.
2.07. And the greatest number would be 2.7. Type right in digits. 5 to 10, which is 5.2, 1700, which is 0.17, 3 and 200, which is 3.02, 516, that's 516.2000, which is 002. Lights and more, we can skip this one. Type. Multiply using 10, 100, and 1000. It's like a pattern, it's like a sequence, which means you will check like how many decimal place, how many zeros, you try to cancel if it's possible, and keep going. So 0.3, we have like one decimal place, which means we will cancel one zero. So basically, it should be 3 by 10, which is 30.
What?
Like we have,
Okay, 30.
yes, 30. Like we will cancel one zero with the one decimal place, like this one, but this one is divided. It's not multiplied. So you'll not like move with the decimal point to the right. No, you'll go backward. You will move to the left. So instead of zero, like instead of saying 3, it should be 0.03. So instead of 3 as a ones, it will be 3 as a hundredth. 3 parts out of 100 whole. Right here, he's telling you
Okay, miss.
1.2 multiply a number is 1200. So basically, he's telling you, like, if you want to cancel one zero with a decimal place, that's fine. So 12 by what equals 1200? Should be 100. 12 by 100 equal 1200. So the answer
Yes.
1.2 by 1000 will be equal to 1200. Like we have a cancelled zero with a decimal place. Right. Going forward, 0.3 divided by what equals 0.03. Right. Instead of saying 3/10, it became 300. So basically, what is the difference between 10th and 100? 10th, which is like a part of a 10 whole, and 100th, that's a part of 100 whole. So you should like understand the difference between 10 and 100 is 0. What holds a 0? 10 holds a 0. So it would be 0
Yes.
divided 10 equals 0.03. the same as E. We have 100.
0.0.
0.04, yes, 0.04. So what's divide 100 equals 4 over 100? It should be 4 because these are two decimal places and we have two zeros. Okay, did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Which number should we divide by 1,000 to get 30? It should like hold the 3. So is it like 3 divided 1,000 equals 30? Or 0.3 divided 1,000 equals 30?
Yes.
Or 30,000 divided 1,000 equals 30? 30,000. If you have 30,000 pounds,
Yes.
you will divide them among 1,000 students or 1,000 people or 1,000 whatever, 1,000 human beings. You will say that the 30,000 divided these 1,000 will be 30. Each one will get 30 pounds or $30, whatever. But say,
Mister,
yes.
this will be one
Which one?
six.
Which one? G? 6767. Okay. طيب. What by 10 equals 30,000? 30,000.
By 10 equals 30,000.
Yes.
10 by 300.
3,000.
Yeah.
3,000 by 10 equals 30,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Same goes as for like what should we multiply by 1,000 to get a 500? 500.
Uh, with the table 5
Uh, yes.
or will table 10 or will table 20.
Okay, but that's a 5. So it should be like holding a 5. Is it 5? Like 5 by 1,000 equal 500? Or is it half, which is 0.5? Half of 1,000, half of, we did get like, we convert the multiplication into of, like trimester 1, the first term.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the half of 1,000? It's 500. So this one is half, 0.5. Okay. In question number two, I believe you can solve it by yourself. Like, what do you think?
Okay.
You'll be able
Leave
to
me one
like,
minute.
pull it up?
Leave me 1 minute.
Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to think about it. Just make sure to check that 1 meters is 100 centimeters, which means when you want to convert from meters in centimeter, you will always have to multiply by 100.
Mister, your sound is lagging.
I'm not
Where?
talking. I'm not talking. I'm leaving you like 2 minutes to
Mister,
focus.
your sound is.
What do you think? Did you get it? ايه يعني ايه اللي حصل؟
ما اعرفش والله، بتاعت الله.
طب هو ازاي اصلا دخل باسم بدل يعني الاسم ده غير اسمك انت؟ انت غيرت التاب يعني، وانت جاي من الموبايل.
انا اصلا كل ده بس من الموبايل.
اوكي. طيب try to solve question number 2.
ليه يا مستر، هو اسمه وحش؟
انا ما عرفتوش
اه
اصلا.
والله.